Hello and welcome ProITians to my channel 369 ProIT. Do you want to learn cloud native technologies in fun and easy way, free of cost, from wherever you are at your own pace? Then this is the place to be. The only prerequisite that is required is your time and motivation to learn futuristic technologies. Welcome aboard. This is Nitin and I have 20 years of experience in IT. I'm thrilled and excited to know that you have chosen to be part of the journey to learn cloud native technologies. I'll be your host and would present to you cloud native technologies running on platforms from IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, and various other cloud service providers. On this channel, we will learn cloud and cloud native technologies from scratch to pro. My objective is to make stop destination to learn on various topics such as DevOps, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, and cloud programming languages such as Python and Java. So if you don't have any background on these technologies, don't have to worry because we are going to start from scratch and end with a pro. Subscribe to this channel now and click on the bell icon to stay tuned for upcoming interesting contents. Thank you. Keep watching and keep learning.